curling routine, how I do it. First, I get some socks. By the way, they're from Adidas. I did this. Now you're supposed to do the same to this. Do this. Next, I put on my pants. Okay. This is how I look like. Don't look at me. After 5 hours, you're supposed to. Wait, bye bye.
Besin and bes.